you can beat the roulette wheel, then, you know.
So this is the roulette wheel.
Yep.
And there are different ways of betting, but what interests me in particular is betting on single numbers. So there are 36 numbers and a 0.
Yep.
And if you bet on a particular number and that number comes up, your odds are 35 to 1.
35 to 1 against your
35 to 1.
original bet.
So there's a lot of systems, and there are systems all over the internet.
You could get somebody trying to sell you on the internet that if you bet in a certain way or you follow a certain pattern of betting that you'll make more money. Of course that doesn't work.
There is no betting system to beat roulette.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that the wheel can't be beaten, because if you use physics, there is something that you can predict about the wheel.
This has been something I've spent the last year of my life kind of obsessing over. That's how can you use physics as opposed to sort of probability and betting systems to beat the wheel?
Okay, we use concealed computers. I'd just be timing the ball, then actually feeding the information to the computer. We're telling the machine the speed and location of the ball and the speed and location of the 0 on the wheel.
Yes.
The machine recognizes that and then begins to figure out what number will be underneath that ball when it drops down into the tub, and then how far will the ball travel before it lands in a slot. So it's complicated, and obviously with all of these electronics it's very risky.
Because, you know, nowadays they can tell if you're wearing electronics.
Absolutely, yeah, they're onto it.
So the only surefire way of beating a roulette wheel is to do what a computer would do, which gives you the genuine physics, the only real route into predicting it, but to do that in your head and not use a machine.
You can't just memorize with a technique. You have to actually understand the relationship between these two objects and process it on another level. You just can't apply an equation to it. It's the Holy Grail for a reason.
But it's worth it because the odds are, well, the payout is potentially huge.
Never said it would be easy.
No.